Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today, I'm super excited to review an awesome electric scooter for adults that combines speed, comfort, and portability in one sleek package. If you want a scooter with a 350W motor, 8.5-inch tires, a top speed of 19 miles per hour, and a long-range battery of 21 miles, then stick around. This one might just be your perfect urban ride. Let's check it out. Right out of the box, the scooter feels sturdy but lightweight. The foldable frame makes it super easy to carry or store in tight spaces. Perfect for city dwellers or commuters. The tires are thick enough to handle rough sidewalks without feeling shaky. The 8.5-inch pneumatic tires absorb bumps and vibrations, giving you a smoother, more comfortable ride compared to solid tires. This means less fatigue on longer trips and better control on uneven pavement. The 350-watt motor delivers solid power and can reach a top speed of about 19 miles per hour. That's fast enough to zip through city streets, but still safe and manageable for beginners. Whether you're commuting or just out for fun, the acceleration is smooth and responsive. Battery life is key for any electric scooter, and this one doesn't disappoint. With a max range of 21 miles on a single charge, it's perfect for your daily commute errands or just explore your neighborhood without worrying about running out of juice. Safety first. This scooter is equipped with a dual braking system, combining an electric brake and a disc brake, which gives you reliable stopping power even in emergency situations. That's peace of mind when you're riding in busy urban areas. One of my favorite features is the folding mechanism. In seconds, you can collapse the scooter to carry it on public transit, or stash it easily in your car trunk or under your desk. Lightweight and compact, ideal for on-the-go lifestyles. This scooter is perfect for adults in the USA who want an eco-friendly, cost-effective, and fun way to get around. Whether you're commuting to work, school, or just cruising on weekends, this scooter has the power and range to keep you moving. Fast top speed of 19 miles per hour. Long battery range of 21 miles. Comfortable 8.5-inch pneumatic tires. Safe dual braking system. Lightweight and foldable design. May require occasional tire inflation. Not designed for off-road use. Overall, this is a fantastic option for anyone looking to upgrade their daily commute or add some fun to their travel. If you're interested, check out the link in the description to learn more. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more electric scooter reviews, and comment below with any questions or your own scooter stories. Thanks for watching. Ride safe.